It's Pocoyo, Ellie and Baby Bird. Hello!
Hello.
Ellie is reading a book. What are you up to, Pocoyo? Oh, can't you think of anything to do?
Boring.
Don't be silly. There's always loads of fun to be had. Why don't you find something to play with? What about a game of catch?
Play!
Wow! What do you think, Ellie? Would you like to play catch? What was that? Can you tell Pocoyo what made that noise?
The ball in the dustbin.
I believe you're right. What a terrific sound it makes. What have you got there, Pocoyo?
More noise.
Oh, terrific! Wonderful. Let's all clap along, shall we? Hi, Pato! Come and make some noise with us. Are you trying to take a nap? We'll be very quiet. Oh, Ellie, Pocoyo. Your music is, well, quite lively, but Pato is trying to sleep. Sorry, Pato. Ah, look! You could play with these quietly. Oh, Ellie, maybe you shouldn't... Oh, dear. Wait! Oh! Oh, dear. Can any of you tell our friends why Pato can't sleep?
Noise! They're making too much noise. Noisy.
Well, it won't happen again, Pato. We'll be nice and quiet. What's this? A radio? The phone? A television? A washing machine? An alarm clock? What are you going to do with... Oh, no. Perhaps it's all too far away for Pato to hear. Oh, dear. Listen, Pato... I'm afraid we've done it again. Poor Pato. How is he ever going to get to sleep? What's this?
Lullaby.
I see. You want to send Pato to sleep with music. Let's all count to 3. 1, 2, 3. Pocoyo! 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 Sorry. That wasn't very soothing, I'm afraid. Well, you can't blame them, Pato. They did try. Perhaps they need help in order to play quietly. Ah, so you're a conductor, Pato. Lovely. Oh, Pato? Pato? Don't you want to sleep